Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. This will be a technical video. I want to talk about air filter boxes on the 202, a topic which I already talked about in my last video about my OM605 turbo build, and I wanted to make a separate video about this topic because now I have a nice product here, or better to say a prototype, which will be a product in the future, and I would like to show you the gains and how to assemble it. So to sum this topic up for everyone which didn't see the last video, we have the original air filter boxes here from the 202. So this is the bottom part, and here the air filter inlay comes in, and then we have the top part which has the pipe towards the intake manifold. So the airflow comes in here, goes through the air filter and then into the engine. And from original, those air filter boxes, the smaller ones for the smaller engines, they have a very small opening here to get fresh air. And for builds with higher power, so approximately 230 horsepower upwards, this diameter is not enough, and the air filter box becomes somewhat restrictive to the airflow. And that's why you see my solution here, my first solution I did for my OM605 daily, which is actually not the best solution, because if you just drill holes here, you don't have air restriction anymore, which is good, but the intake takes up all the warm air from the engine bay, which leads to power loss, and it would be nicer to have some possibility to take cold air inside. This was also being noticed by AMG, which built the C36 at that time, and what they did is this solution. So AMG took the original air filter box, they made a cutout here, and what they did, they put like a long tube on top of this, which goes down up until here approximately, so this length, and this tube went into an area of the car where it could take up cold air. I will show you later in this video on the car itself. And what I did now, because on my C36 this tube was missing, I guess when someone disassembled this part from the car, they hit this tube and it broke off. And so I tried to get this re-engineered and also provide a solution for anyone who wants to upgrade his air filter box. And that's why you see here this prototype. This is a 3D printed part. It actually was white when I got it. I just painted it black. That's why it doesn't look so nice, but for the final product this will be printed in black powder, so there's no need to paint it. And with this part you have a very easy and nice solution to upgrade your air filter box. The only thing you have to do is to put it on this area and align this edge with this edge of the air filter box. When this is aligned, you make sure that it sits nice and fitting on this round area, and then you can like draw where this sits, also draw through the holes where you can rivet it, and then once you got that marked, you take it off, you cut it out, drill the holes, and then you just glue it back on and put some rivets on, and then you have the final solution, the upgraded air filter box. And yeah, you have now enough airflow for your 230 horsepower plus build. And that's exactly what I will do now. I will glue it on, put some rivets in, and then I can show you how to put this into the car. Here you see the result after riveting and gluing. I will wait now until the glue is dry, then paint it black, and then it will be almost invisible. This is the final product. I think it looks very nice, almost original. And there you see the area where the tube should go. So this can be a little bit tricky, not too much, but you have to be kind of careful. But I will try to do this on camera. We have to fill it in. Make sure the tube goes underneath the area of the headlight. So. And that's it. It's in. Nice and tight. And see, the tube is going below, taking up the cold air from there, and with this you have the perfect air filter box upgrade for your 202. Now we're on the end of this video. I hope you liked it, even though it's mostly advertisement for my shop and parts, but I also try to explain some technical details on the 202. So I hope for you it's worthwhile watching, and with that I will say thank you and see you in the next video.